Right now, we are going to talk about commission agents. A commissioned agent is the one to whom certain goods have been consigned for a foreign principal. So we have now another kind of principal is a foreign principal. Actually, foreign means outside of the country or outside of the state. A commission agent is therefore saddled with dual responsibility. So he has a dual responsibility toward the origin agent and the foreign principal. Firstly, as an agent to his principal, agent to his principal, actually, with equal rights and obligations of any other agent, and secondly, as an agent who does not bend his principal contractually to third parties. Instead, he stands in his own right in the position of principal to such third parties, basically because he benefits from the transaction. So he is between the foreign agent, foreign principal, and the domestic principal. So this agent is between the two of them, the domestic principal and the foreign principal. Mercantile agents, both are right. A mercantile agent is an agent having authority to sell or to consign goods for the purpose of sale, or to buy goods, or to raise money on the security of goods. In a sense, when one is dealing with a mercantile agent, it becomes pertinent to inquire whether, in the customary course of the rights of the agent's business, to has so he has authority to sell, actually consign for sale, or to buy, or to raise money on the security of goods in his position as such agent. There are three types of mercantile agents. There are factors first, brokers second, and del creditor the third kind of mercantile agents. We're going to talk about the three of them. The factor agent. The term factor was described as a person to whom goods are assigned for sale by a merchant residing abroad. He lives abroad, outside of the country, or at a distance away from the place of sale, and who normally sells in his own name without disclosing that of his principal. This is the factor's agent. The second is the broker. The broker is between the merchant and the agent. A broker is a mercantile agent too. In the ordinary course of his business, is employed to make contract with third parties for the purchase of goods or property, or for the sale of his principal's goods or property, of which he is not entrusted with possession of a document of title thereto. He is a mere negotiator between such persons with no possession of the goods. He lacks the power, he lacks the authority, he lacks the documents, he lacks the power or authority to determine whether the goods belong to the buyer or seller, and no legal or power to determine whether the goods should be delivered to the one or be kept by the other, actually. The third kind of the mercantile agent is the del creditor agent. A del creditor agent is one who, in consideration of extra remuneration called a del creditor commission. Guarantees. This is the distinguish factor actually. Guarantees to his principals that third parties with whom he enters into a contract for and on behalf of the principal shall duly pay any sums becoming due under those contracts. The element of extra remuneration by a way of del creditor commission is indispensable to the establishment of a del creditor agency, and it is this feature that mainly distinguishes it from any other agent. Now we are going to continue and to know about types of agency. It's page 68 actually. Types of agencies. We have several types of agencies. Agency by agreement for contract. Agreement for contract. Agency by estoppel. Agency by ratification. Agency by necessity. We are going to study and to verify and to shed some light about every and each one of these four types. Agency by agreement or contract. This occurs in a situation where the agency agreement is formalized by the express intention of both parties. So they have the real intention for the both of them to do or to make this contract.